Hello guys, today I'm going to explain our project titled Cubo de un binomio, explicación y aplicación en el primer semestre de Ingeniería Mecánica, o Cube of a Binomial, Explanation and Application in the first semester of Mechanical Engineering. Introduction. The study of algebra, and in particular the expansion of polynomial expressions, constitutes a fundamental foundation in the training of engineering students. One of the most relevant notable identities in this context is the cubed binomial, expressed algebraically as a plus b equal a3 plus 3a2b plus 3ab2 plus b3. This expression, beyond its mathematically utility, has a geometric representation that allows visualizing the volume of a cube composed of subvolumes, thus facilitating the understanding of the concept from the spatial and three-dimensional perspective. The central purpose of this article is to analyze the expansion of cubed binomial and demonstrate how it can be applied in key subjects of the first semester of mechanical engineers. Then I'm going to say the abstract. This article presents an explanation of the cubed binomial and its application in first semester mechanical engineering subjects such as basic mathematics, engineering materials, and technical drawing, through its algebraic development and geometric representation as a cube divided into subvolumes. The study aims to connect mathematical theory with real technical context. This approach enhances the understanding of spatial structures, solid modeling, and the analysis of crystalline structures such as BBC, FCC, and HCP, promoting more comprehensive learning from the early stage of engineer education. Then I'm going to explain the objectives. General objective: explain the development of the cubed binomial and its geometric representation, highlighting its applicability in basic mathematics, engineering materials, and technical drawing during the first semester of mechanical engineering. These objectives have three specific objectives, that is, 1. Analyze the algebraic structure of the cubed binomial and its composition in three-dimensional geometric terms. 2. Relate the cubed binomial to practical concepts in basic mathematics such as volume calculation, factoring, and polynomial functions. And 3. Identify specific situations in engineering materials and technical drawing in which the cubed binomial can be applied as a conceptual or graphic supertool.
Everyone, today I going to talk about the concept of the binomial cubed and how its visual representation helps us better understand it. The cubed of binomial is a third-degree polynomial. Is a result of multiplying a binomial b is less 3 times. In other words, we take an expression like a plus b. This operation gives us a more complex polynomial. The helps us visual if process. We can represent the result as group divided into summer volumens or subvolumens, each of the summer cubes or rectangular print represent on the terms in the expansion of the binomial cube. These three-dimensional represent allow for the better visual and logical understanding of the concept. It connects mathematical reasoning with spatial interpretation, which is special helpful.
Conclusion: we understood that the binomials cube is not just a formula we memorize, why a concept we logic behind it. We can use both a algebraic and geometrically by breaking down the cube into smaller parts. It became easier to visualize instead of the spatial and release into realize space examples seen in engineering. We saw realize that this topic is the step to mathematics. We can as understand structure in technical drawing and engineer in materials such as atomic models in metals. The source are the mistake makings is display donated to why we will stand it in our careers and that is an important foundation for solving more complex problems.